Hello, and we're back. It's been a short while now. We've got the smoker ready. Let's all see how the fish has gone today. So here we go. Look. Shame we haven't got smell-o-vision. Here we go. Fish is absolutely gorgeous. You can just smell beautiful fish, and it's so nice and cooked really well. It just comes right off the bone. A treat for anybody, if I do say so myself. Let's give it a whirl, see how it goes. If you actually poke the tail, sometimes you can pull the bones off. It's a bit messy. There's a cat here. Just like that, you see. If you poke the bones off, they come off quite well. What do you think about that, Furball? Look at that. Let's get a bon appetit, as you say in France. Oh yeah, you can really taste all the flavour. So that's how you cook fish in the washing machine. You use the washing machine drum. Really easy to make. And absolutely fantastico. Well, that's all. I hope you enjoyed it. Stay tuned and I'll see you again next time. Thanks a lot. Goodbye.